A lot's been changing lately and I can't tell if it's me or if it's everybody else.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mina here. Today I am going full spring because spring has come and I'm rocking flowers. Actually, I just filmed outro, so now I'm filming intro. Anyway, so the other day I was just on my phone as usual. I was watching Savage X Fenty's Insta stories and they released new products which is very springy and flowery, and I saw this cupless corset and I thought, oh my god, it's so pretty and so sexy, so I need to make this. So that's how it all started, and I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty, I think I can make it like in one day. And I stayed all night and I did finish making the cupless corset in actually 2 days because I stayed up all night, right? So this is how I make it, and please watch the whole video. I used 2 yards of fabric, 70cm zipper, 3 shoestrings, bra underwire, and 22 eyelets. So this is the pattern I'm going to use. So here on the left side, the zipper goes from here to here. So I gave 1.5 centimeter seam allowance on a zipper side, and I gave 1 centimeter all around the edges, and I gave 2 centimeters on this skirt bottom, so I can finish the hemline, fold it twice and sew it as a hemline. So I'm going to connect all the patterns except the zipper line. So there will be one side piece and one giant, the other piece. So I just finished connecting all the patterns except the waistline here, because before you connect the waistline, make sure all the excess fabric facing to the center. So these are facing here, like here. So just pin them all down before you connect the waistline. Okay, so I forgot to overlock the excess fabric before connect the waistline, but it's okay, I'm gonna do it now. So I just finished overlocking all the lines except the outlines of this dress. So we're not going to overlock the hemline, but we're going to overlock the outline, but we're going to overlock the inside of this line. So what I meant overlocking the inside the line is like this. This is the back center line, and I overlocked inside the line. I'm going to remove the excess fabric, but why I overlocked inside the line is these two back center lines are where the eyelets goes. That's why I overlock inside the line, so there won't be any like excess fabric before I covered with the linings. Then I overlocking inside the line on this top line as well. So now overlocking is done, and what I'm gonna do before adding zipper and all the other things, I'm gonna add some details. Like as you can see on the photo, oh, there's a, can you see these two lines? Like here and like here, here, and here, and here, and also on waistline as well. So we are going to do the same exact thing. Actually, this isn't optional, but you learn a lot of things like mimicking the design, because all these things can be used when you create your own design. So we're gonna do that. Before you do the decorative stitches, make sure iron the fabric nice and flat. So the two line details are on front center piece. So we're going to add, this is a front center piece here and here. So I finished 2-line details on the front. So here, here, and also here as well. And then I did this line on the waistline. Now I'm going to add zipper on the left side. So connecting here and here. And after that, I'm gonna do, what do you call this? Outlining? Yeah, if you know the word, please let me know. So I just saw the zipper on the side, and I also add another line next to the zipper. So there will be like total 4 lines attached to the zipper. To cover these rough edges, I am going to use the handmade bias tape, like 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and I think I probably use like 90 centimeters. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just fold it here and fold this here, and then if I fold it like this, then there's a bias tape, and now I can cover the edge. Oh, it's so hard to film with one hand, like this. You get the idea. I pinned the bias tape like this, and I'm going to sew along the edge and then cover the rest of it and sew it on the top again. I just finished sewing the bias tape on the under boob area, and this is also optional. I have this under bra wire thingy, so I'm just gonna put it inside the tunnel I just made with this bias tape, so you can add more structure. Now we need to cover the rough edges, like here, here, and here. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna fold it like this, sew the edge here like this. I already did it like this, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Then we have perfect cover these frayed edges. Now we need to make a cover lining for the lacing part. I cut the fabric 90 cm length and 5 cm width, and I folded 1 cm outer lines and sew it close to the edges. Then I removed the excess fabrics, then it'll look like this. Then I folded in half and sew the edge like so. After sewing back and forth 3 to 4 times, I flipped it over, and now we have perfect cover lining. So I already pinned it down, and I'm just gonna sew along this existing line. Then I hammered the eyelets onto this cover lining. I used 11 eyelets on each side. So I used 3 strings. 2 are starting from the bottom separately, and 1 is starting from the top, and it goes down here, and they meet in the middle. I also made a bucket hat using the remaining fabric. I used the pattern I found on Google, but it was a little bit big for me, so I'm gonna make my own pattern on my next video, so please subscribe and hit the notification button. I put on some flowers on my eyelid. Have you noticed? I also made a bucket hat. Like, how cute is this pattern? Like seriously, I love this pattern. But the thing is, so I found this pattern on Google. It goes really deep and I can't see properly. Like, so I have to like, yeah, like it's on, but it's not on. Oh, but I look cute. My mom saw this hat and she really liked this, so I ordered more of this fabric. So I think I want to make a new pattern for this bucket hat and make one for my mom and make one for my nana. Actually, I need to make one for myself. Like this one's not good. Do you think I can wear this like outside? I mean, I can, but oof. I think this is still a bit scandalous. Maybe in here, yeah. I don't know why I hit dinner before filming this.